We are still in the business of animals, but today it's all about birds. We're going to talk about birds. This is a promise I made in my previous video, and today I'm going to do justice to it. But before we delve into what we have for today, I'm from Ngozika. By none. Hello guys, my name is Ngozika. That typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely. And you're welcome to my channel. If you are an old subscriber, I'm thankful, I'm grateful, thank you for coming back. And if you are a visitor, I am also thankful. Thank you for coming around. We are going to have fun together. Yes. Please, at the end of this video, don't forget to use the like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll be the first to be notified. And share with your friends as well. Thank you very much. Yeah. Birds are simply called Nnunu in Igbo. However, a bird, one, is Nnunu. And Nnunu for more than one bird. So birds, Nnunu. Then a bird, Nnunu. Yes. I've always emphasized on the singular and plural because with this, it will help you in pronouncing the words correctly and making the right sentences. Thank you. So today we are going to start with the chicken. Chicken. In Igbo, we call chicken Okuko for chicken. Okuko for chicken. Then we have the female gender and the male gender of the Okuko. For the female, we have Nwunye Okuko. And the male, we have Oke Okuko. So, Nwunye for the female and Oke for the male. Female, that is the female chicken, is Nwunye Okuko, while the male is Oke Okuko. Oke and Nwunye. Oke for the male and Nwunye for the female. Yes, that's number one on the list for today. Number two, we have the turkey. The turkey is called Tolotolo. Tolotolo. Yeah, and the next one, the pigeon or the dove, pigeon, is called Nnunu. And the next one is the ostrich. You know the ostrich? The ostrich, that's Enyi, Nnunu. Enyi, Nnunu. Ostrich. The ostrich is Enyi, Nnunu. The next one we have guinea fowl. Ogazi. That's for the guinea fowl. Then the next one we have the sparrow Nza. The sparrow Nza. The next one we have the kite Egbe. The kite Egbe. The next one we have the eagle. You know the eagle? Yes. We call it Ugo in Igbo. In Igbo, we call it Ugo. Ugo for the eagle. Yes. The next one we have the vulture. In Igbo, we call the vulture Udene. Udene for the vulture. Udene for the vulture. Then we have the owl. You know the owl? Those big eyes. Yes. The owl. We call it Ikwikwi. Ikwikwi for the owl. Ikwikwi. So Ikwikwi. Yes. And the next one on our list, we have the hawk. You know the hawk? Yes. The hawk is called Nkwo. Nkwo. Yeah. Nkwo. Nkwo. The next one, we have duck. Obogu. 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 That's for the duck. The next one, we have the quail. Okwa. You know the quail? Yes. Okwa. 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 Yes. The next one, we have the egret. You know the egret? It's called chekeleke. The egret is called chekereke. Chekeleke, please. From where I come from, from where I come from, it's called chekeleke. That's the egret. Chekeleke is the name. Then we have the raven. You know the raven? Ugonoma. Ugonoma. Ugonoma for the raven. Ugonoma. Then the next one, we have Okpoko. You know that hornbill bird? Here it is called Okpoko. Okpoko. Yes. I think that should be all for today. I don't know if they're up to 15, but that should be all for today. I just want today's video to be short yet educative, so that we will not be bored. You know, I don't enjoy long, boring videos. I just want to be. Yeah. Thank you very much for your time. Please don't forget to click on the notification bell, turning it on, then the subscribe button and the like button, and sharing this video with your friends. I'm so thankful for your support. Okay, Emesia. See you later. Bye.